What's up, guys? Dirty Diesel here. Gonna give you a little demonstration of the blinkers. Tried to make a video before, and you have to have your car on to do the blinkers. So here's what the new LEDs look like. They're super bright and killer. Before, they weren't that bright. I've done a video on the I did a video on the bulbs that I used, so you could go back and look at the bulbs. But as you can see, they have like a, I guess you can't see very well. Yeah, there you go. It's dirty. There's a bug splatter. Bug splatter matters. You can see how it has like that domed glass over the front of it. It looks like it's like a reflective front, and that really throws it out further and is really bright. And these little guys are real bright too. They don't have the dome on them, but they're only running lights. They're not the blinkers, but these are the running lights too. I'm extremely happy about the way that they brighten up. The last set I had burned out real quick and didn't brighten up. So just thought I'd show you guys that. Dirty Diesel out. I hope you're all doing good.